Hey everyone, I just wanted to say thank you for purchasing this product. In this video I'm just going to show you kind of what it looks like coming out of the box, how to assemble it, and some cool things you can do with it. So this is what it's supposed to look like in its final form, out of the box and packed. You can carry it with this strap. You have different hooks right here. You can do a side strap if you wanted, or if you're a lefty or righty, you want it on a particular side. But once you place your order, you should receive a bag like this. So you just take it, open it up. Alright, and you'll get this sheet. It has some simple instructions. In this video, we're just going to show you visually. And also, if you're interested in winning a $50 gift card, we have the information right here on the pamphlet that's sent with you. So basically what you want to do is unroll your dry bag. It looks like a sheet. You also get an extra strap. You can see right here that there's directions, basically telling you how to fold it and close the top. We'll go over that later, but first we're going to put some contents inside. Alright, now that you've filled your dry bag, it doesn't really matter which way you do it. I like to do it along the seam line in the back so it just looks nicer. What you want to do is take this, get the air out, and then you want to fold it. So this would be 1, and the opening is down here. 2, and now the opening's up here and under, and I like to do it a 3rd time. And brings that opening back down here. You see these clips right here, and you just attach them, and you're ready to go. This creates a nice waterproof seal. Just mention, be a little cautious, keep an eye on it if it's completely submerged, but for all waterproof purposes, this bag is perfect. If you have 2 of them, with either 2 people or you're with a child or something, we've allowed the ability to sort of connect them together and form a backpack. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. It doesn't matter which side you do it. I just like to do it on this side, just so when you're done, both the logos are facing. Basically, what you want to do is unclip each set of 3. And the cool thing about this is that it really doesn't matter which way. You could honestly connect them that way. And so each one has its corresponding male and female. So you want to go ahead and connect all 6 of those now. Alright, when you're done, you're going to notice that there's a little bit of slack. So you want to take these little pull tabs here. I like to put it closer there, make it easier. And you want to cinch these down so that it's nice and tight. And you're going to have to do this to both sides. So that's the back. And now you're going to have to do the same thing to the front. This is really good if you're with somebody, you're with your family, one person gets tired, and instead of having to carry sort of 2 awkward bags over your shoulders, this gives you the way to just carry one as a backpack. These are also good on the sides of boats. You can attach an infinite amount of these together, and they'll hold. So basically, as you can see, you now have your backpack. This one has its strap, so depending on your sort of body frame, I would suggest normally I would probably move this one to the outside, just to get that wider shape. And if you're a smaller frame, you could probably leave this on this side. But for normal purposes, I would suggest matching the D-rings on one side to the outer and doing it right there. And as I mentioned earlier, you get this strap, which is what that is. Each bag comes with 2 of them, so that you could, honestly make each side a backpack, like a really small one. And then if you wanted to, store the extra 2 straps into one of them and just use one as a bigger backpack. So there's lots of ways to use this product. If you have a child, what I would recommend, instead of attaching it at the top of these D-rings, is probably bring it to this lower one, so the strap's here, just so that bag isn't sinking on their body. There you go. And now you have a fully functioning backpack out in the wilderness. If you have any comments, concerns, please let us know. We'd be happy to get to talk to you, but other than that, this is a very simple product to use. Just a final note is, when you have it in backpack mode, these straps are actually really good for holding things. If you have like a thin towel, a trekking pole, any other sort of accessory that you're out there while you're outdoors, especially things that are wet, you can roll up and you can actually slide it through this part. So it keeps everything inside here dry. Anything you need quick access to, you can put carabiners, what have you. So hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you.